Right? So people often ask me, I'm like way ahead of myself here, but I'm going to just go for it. People ask me, Cherif, should I get the deal first or the investors first? What do you think?
Deal.
Okay, how many people say the deal first? How many people say investors first? Investors first.
Right.
I'm going to tell you something. Bring $1 million, go deposit it in the bank account, and watch the banker call you the next day asking you if you're interested in some of their non-performing assets. You know what's non-performing assets, right? Those are the homes that are in default. Oh, but Cherif, I can't find any foreclosures. Are you aware how hot the market is? Are you aware that people still get divorced, people still die, people still have problems, lawsuits, etc., etc.? Yes or no? And banks constantly give loans, and there's a percentage, a ratio of default. So if we learn how to find the good deals and we don't have the money, we end up getting frustrated. Because a good deal, you cannot steal it, as in getting it at a good price, unless you move fast. Would you agree, yes or no?
Yes.
The only way to move fast is to have the what? The money. So there is a constant struggle with this, but I'm going to show you ways to do it. If you get the investors and you get people committed and interested in what you do, you're going to get the deals. What if you have no idea how to get the deals? Can you network with some people that have the deals?
Yes.
Can you think of somebody who would maybe have some good deals? Somebody maybe in front of you, on a stage, standing a little higher? Okay, all right, good. So we're going to solve this. My goal at the end of the 3 days is to show you how to make money, show you ways to participate in the game.